Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the fall and wild Labubu from the monsters. So let's get started. To draw this cute Labubu, let's first start by drawing a curve for the top of the eye. So I'm going to start right here and draw a big curve and go up. And then I'm going to come underneath this and draw an oval. So right about here, right in the center, I'm going to go ahead and bring down curve to create this nice big oval and bring it right back up. There. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead once again and just draw a curve just like the other side. And once again, come right about here and draw an oval. There. So now that we have that, let's come back inside and we're going to draw a complete oval right in the center. So I'm just going to try my best to fill in this space. And then I'm going to come to the top right here and draw a highlight. So circle and then shade everything else in. And same thing over here. There. So now that we have the eyes in, let's come in between the eyes and say about right here in this area, I'm going to draw a soft curve for a nose. So round off the corners and just bring it together in the center. There. And then we need to draw a really big smile. So I am going to, let's see here, let's say the center of this eye, I'm going to come out about right here. Not too much. Same thing on the other side, about right here. And then I'm going to just draw this really big curve right underneath the eyes. So about right here, towards my center, and same thing here. Nice big curve. There. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw some teeth. So I'm going to find my center and about right here I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I forgot, just cap this off. And same thing here. 1, 2, and then 2 more. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and frame the face. So I'm going to come back to this smile right here, this point where we start. I'm going to come out just a little bit. Same thing on this side, just a little bit. And we're just going to draw a curve following the smile. So we just go right underneath the teeth. And same thing here. Okay, now I got this big curve, and then I can go ahead and bring this in. So I'm going to round it off as if I'm creating an oval. Go past the eye. Same thing here. And go up. And let's bring it up a tiny bit more. So just come in, and I'm going to drag it across the other side about right here. And same thing. There. And so we're stopping about right there now, about the same height because we need to draw the rim of our hat. So right over this, I'm going to go ahead and just draw, oops, a big shallow curve right over. Hit both points and then come down slightly. So I'll bring this out a tiny bit more because you have to draw a big hat. And then before we finish the hat, let's come back about right here and then we're going to draw another curve all the way around. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and start, and as I come down, I'm just going to zigzag here and there if you want to make it look extra fluffy, but you don't have to. You can make it smooth. And so same thing on the other side. Here and there, just pop it out. And connect everything. There. Okay. I think the hardest part is done. We got all the layers in for the head. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw the hat. We're going to bring this out and about right here, curve it in. So same thing on the other side. And just curve it in. And then we're going to come right about here and just slope it in to about right here. Same thing here. So kind of like where this would end, where the head, so that it makes sense. Okay, so now that we have that curve, but right there, I'm going to go ahead and draw another curve to connect it. And then now let's go up. So right about here, we're going to go up, and same thing here. Keep going up, and it's going to get thinner. And then about right there, I'm going to round it off and connect it. Okay, so now we have that, then we can finally draw the ears. So let's find your center, which is about here, and we're going to go to the left, go to the right. And from there, we're going to come about, let's say right here, and I'm just going to draw a big, soft curve, and come right back to my point. So same thing here for the ears. And just like the other side. Now we have to draw a bunch of layers again, so just follow what you just drew. And if you want to make the ears fluffy, you can also do those zigzags if you like. And then one more, smaller one right about here. So same thing here. And one more. There. Okay, and then I'll quickly draw, like, there's like this logo badge right here. So I'm just going to come right here and draw a rectangle really quickly. I feel like it needs this little detail. And I'm just going to draw the logo, just like 3 mountain caps with some snow real quick. There, and then I'm not going to write the word the monsters because it's just too small, but something like that. And then on the hat right here, the 2 sides, a little detail. Okay, so now that we have that, finally we can go ahead and draw the cute little outfit. So I am going to come to the center area, and we need to draw, let's see here, let's skip some space to draw the overalls. So I'm going to come about right here and where the eye is on both sides. And with those 2 points, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve and connect everything right here in the center, so I know what I'm working with. And then we're going to come down at an angle for our overalls and just bring it down a little bit more. And then let's come back up right here, and we're going to draw the strap. So 2 angle lines, and then you can just break it up right about here and here. Some detail, and same thing here. There. And then on the center right here, I'm going to put a circle right about here, just so that I don't have to erase anything. And there's a line that goes through for the hat. And right here it's going to come down with a loop. There, and then he's wearing a t-shirt here. So then let's go ahead and we're going to bring this down for the pants on both sides. So then about right, let's see here, this is kind of like the waist. So come down a little bit about right here in the center. Give myself a little curve, and then we're going to round it off and start to draw the pants. So I'll bring this in, and then we're going to curve and connect. So same thing here. Come in, and then curve. So the pants is running over the shoe, and connect. There, so just want to create these two curves right there. And then let's come here, since we're down here, we're just going to create curve, bring it down, and about right there, just go ahead and connect it, and another line. And same thing here. There. And then for some, let's come back over here, draw sleeves before we put in the details. So come right by here, we're going to curve down, then about right here, bring it in, then come out here, zigzag if you like, and we're going to bring it in and zigzag and connect. And then in this area, draw a little thumb and fingers. So same thing. Oh, and then before I forget, I'm going to put a little line right here for a shirt detail. So same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag this across so I know where I'm going. And same thing right here. Connect. And once again, just bring this down, zigzag if you like. Zigzag here, and then put in a thumb and fingers. Oh. Okay, so then now for some cute details on their overall. About right here, I'm just going to do make them a bunch of, sorry, my Sharpie is not cooperating with me today, being slanted. So I'm just going to draw these little lines going across, and just to make it look like stitching. And same thing here. And the pocket detail. You know what? Let's make this solid. It's too complicated, so I'll just make it solid. And here as well. Another line here. And same thing here. There, and then right in this area, draw a rectangle. It just looks really complicated if I put a bunch of these dotted lines because I'm using a Sharpie, but at home, if you're coloring with like markers or colored pencils, it will look much nicer if you do with the dotted lines. So then here, put two circles for some detail. Detail right here. And here. Okay, and let's see if I'm missing anything. That is hopefully pretty much it. And then I'm going to just put a heart right here for a little detail to make this my Draw So Cute Fall and Wild Labubu from the Monsters. Oh, sorry, one more detail. Almost forgot right here. I have to draw this cute little tie. And same thing here. There, now we're done. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope you love how this turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.